If you're thinking about making the move to Hudson, Ohio, but you're wondering, hey, what does a house look like and what does it go for? Well, in today's video, we are going to be out and about. We're going to do a vlog in Hudson, taking a look at some of these houses. We are going to start in the high 300s. Then we're going to go to the next one in the high 500s, and we're going to end at one at $950,000, just to give you an idea of what there is and what these will go for when you're in the Hudson area. I am downtown right now, as you can see, just in the courtyard, enjoying the sun. But we're gonna make the move. We're gonna get to some of these properties. Let me know what you like the best, and architecturally, what do you think is the best? I have a feeling I may know what you choose just because it's a little bit of a newer home, but leave it down in the comments below. If you're new to the channel and you want to know all things about living in Cleveland, Ohio, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can be notified when we upload a new video and stay current on all things Cleveland. My name is Kip Sweeney with Living Cleveland, Ohio, powered by Mancuso Homes and eXp Realty. And we get calls from people all the time looking to buy or sell in 9 days or 9 months, whatever that may be. And we're here to help assist you and have a smooth transaction. My contact information is in the description box below. So make sure to give me a call, a text, or even schedule a time to meet on Zoom, or if you're local, let's meet in person and do a one-on-one, and I'd love to assist you. But in today's video, we're going to look at Hudson, Ohio, some of the homes that are available at their different price points, and show you what it looks like out and about in the area in Hudson. I'm in downtown right now, just soaking up the sun and enjoying it. I am a little pale, so I need this, but stay tuned and let's go check out what there is in Hudson, Ohio, and learn about what it's like to live here. All right, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, we are at the first house. This house is going to come in at $389,000. It is going to be a 4.3, 1,800 square feet, puts it about $216 per square foot, and it was built in 1965. So this is going to be a great opportunity to kind of get into the Hudson market at a reasonable price. Now don't get me wrong, the inside does need some updating, but if you want to get to a neighborhood that's quiet, and it's comfortable, it's walking distance to downtown. Literally, if you wanted to walk to downtown, you easily could. And if you wanted to drive, everything is right next door. You're in and out of the neighborhood, you're gonna get to places very easily, and you don't have to worry about the traffic because you're near and close to everything. I know I'm rambling a little bit, but this is a great starter home. Again, at $389,000 with the work. If you're handy, this is gonna be an amazing deal. At 4.3 with 1,800 square feet, basement, you have the 2 floors, you have you have about 0.4 acres of land. You're really gonna be able to get into the Hudson market and explore and experience it without having to break the bank. So if this is a starter home, this is gonna be perfect for you. Or if you're just someone that kind of likes to come into a house and make it your own and make it personal to yourself, then this is gonna be perfect for you as well, because like I said, it does need the upgrades, it does need the work, the love, but once you get that, you're inside of the Hudson area and you're gonna be able to experience it, all that it has to offer. Nearby downtown space and anything that you want. Again, easily walkable to downtown. It's a 3-minute drive at most to downtown. As you can see, we are on a tree-lined street and it's just a very comfortable, quaint, quiet, and nice neighborhood. So 389, 4.3, needs some work, needs a little bit of love. You can make it your own, but it's an amazing deal to get into the Hudson market. This is going to be one of the few at this price. Again, you just have to make it your own, but let's move on to the next house and let me show you what a little bit of an increase in the budget will do for you. Alrighty guys, we are at our second stop. So this next house here is going to be priced at $588,000. It is going to be 2,684 square feet. It's 4-bed, 3.5 bath on a very nice, quaint, quiet street neighborhood. It's walkable to downtown and really has anything that you want with all the modern upgrades, all the new appliances, plus all the nice finishing touches and fixtures inside the house that anyone's going to want. You have a beautiful finished basement with a wet bar, with really a great little man's cave, if you wanted to make it that. But it's really just in a great location. We're about 2 miles away from downtown, but you have sidewalks all the way. So you're able to get to downtown via bike path if you wanted to, or you could walk it and just enjoy a nice sunny day, get some weather, enjoy some ice cream on the walk, or whatever you may want to do. But you are nearby all the different locations. You have restaurants, bars, you have places to get to, including that downtown space as I just mentioned, but as well as close to the freeway and the turnpike. So you're really able to get anywhere you need to in this location. Again, $588,000. It is going to be a great spot. Now I know that's on the pricier side of things, but really when you move in, it is truly turnkey into this house. So you really have nothing to do unless there's some little things that you want to do. Let's say paint or change something out, maybe the carpeting, whatever that may be. Of course, it's personal preference, but just giving you the idea, this location really brings all the amenities that you're going to want, being close and nearby. Downtown space, you're able to walk, you're able to bike. And of course, if you want to just walk the dogs around the neighborhood, you could do that as well without having to be worried about too much traffic or anything of that nature. Now this one is a little different. We don't have as many trees on the street, but something you will notice as we drive through, many of the same or similar architectural types, colonial homes. As I said, Hudson really keeps and preserves that historic charm. But you're gonna be surprised at this next one. So let's jump into this third property and let's show you what a little bit of a newer build looks like these days here in Hudson. Alrighty guys, we are at the last house for today, $950,000. This home built in 2021 is going to be anything and everything that you want. We are surrounded by ponds, trails, 220 acres of just wooded lot. It's just serene. Now we are a little further from downtown Hudson. You're gonna have to drive, but the neighborhood is filled with just pristine sidewalks, cleanliness, new and still maturing trees that are going to line the streets one day here soon. You have a ton of open space, and inside the house itself is just a vast amount of space. You have vaulted ceilings, you have all that you need, you have a beautiful basement, everything is finished. The room sizes are all grand. You have everything you need in this house, all the space. No matter how big your family is, to a certain degree, it is 4-bed, 5-bath. You would be able to fit pretty much everyone in this. Now, it is going to be the perfect home for anyone that's looking to upgrade and really be able to get that family going and that family started. You have all the modern appliances. You have all the just little things that people don't take into consideration because this is a custom home built. Just similar to all these homes in the neighborhood, you have everything here and you're getting your own unique home. You're not going to look at like, it's not a cookie cutter neighborhood. So it's going to be a very comfortable home, something where you're really going to be able to just enjoy and experience the scenery, the quietness, and just everything it has to offer. All the lawns taken care of, everything just looking very clean. Every time you drive in, you're just going to be smiling just because of how clean it is, the way it looks, and it's just a very comforting look and neighborhood, really. So you're getting everything for $950,000, all the modern appliances, one owner. You're getting a new home essentially, and you're gonna be able to be very comfortable inside of this home, not having to worry about anything. Everything is turnkey. It is truly one of a kind and something that you're going to be able to rely on no matter what you do or how you move in. The home is going to be perfect for pretty much anyone, so long of course that it fits in the budget. But once again, you are a little further from the city, so it is something that you would have to drive to. Now, I'm not saying you can't, you probably couldn't walk, but you could possibly bike. If you're somebody that is into cycling, you could make that happen. But again, perfect place, families, you have the quiet neighborhood, and you are truly close to everything, whether that is the freeway or grocery store or restaurant. So whatever you want to do, this area and this desired location and neighborhood has it all for you and your family.